Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are some lava beads that I use for making bracelets. These lava beads are from NBEADS, and they have the coolest texture, very volcanic looking. I love the black color the most. It looks very natural, and my favorite thing about these is that the color does not come off of them at all. When you wear them, when you're making the jewelry or anything, the color stays on, which is really nice. They're also really great for adding essential oils to them because they will absorb them and hold the smell. So you can just be a walking diffuser when you wear your bracelet made of these lava beads. These are the 8mm size, and they're really easy to bead, as you can see in the video, and you get 150 to 160 beads, which is so many for all your projects. So if you're looking for some really high quality lava beads that are not going to mess up your clothes or stain your arm when you wear your bracelets, definitely check out NBEADS. They have really nice lava beads that are going to be great for also absorbing your essential oils and for all the projects that you have in mind for them. I love these lava beads, and that's my point of view.